Hey guys, so I am back with an unboxing. This is supposed to be a Christmas gift, but it came late, and I already know what it is because my brother ordered it on my account. So yeah, and I had to talk with the person also. So yeah, it was supposed to be shipped I think December 12th, but something was wrong with the item, so they requested I think another one from the manufacturer. I'm not sure, but they had good service and they replied really quickly. But as you can tell by the title, it's BTS acrylic clock from their 2018 exhibition, the official. And yeah, let's get started. So it shipped on the 23rd and it arrived today, the 27th. So I'm really excited. Oh, what I also got was the cookie blanket. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. It's so cute. It has a little heart, has his tail and his tail. And look, he's so cute. It's so soft and warm. I love it. But yeah, let's open this. I'm supposed to get something else as a late Christmas gift. I mean, they told me what it was. It was a BT21 from Hot Topic, but something happened, so it's probably coming in February. So yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, hold on. Oh man, it's this kind. Okay. I know, I always struggle opening my packages. My dog is like laying on me, so. I forgot to get the batteries. Okay, I'll get them later. This right here. Actually, I don't know. I'll put it. But these, they use triple A batteries. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see. They gave me all freebies. Well, they asked me to pick, so I guess that's what I did. Yeah. But this is a mask, face mask, and they gave me cards. I'll open this. I'll open it later. Let me get this out first. Okay, before I do that, I'm gonna look through these with you guys. Let's say, I am happy with your smile. so cute. Okay. Oh, you can't. Tay. Just the back. Jimin. Oh, he's so handsome. J-Hope. Oh, he's so cute. Yoongi. Jimin. Jungkook. Sorry for my dogs. I know they're making a lot of noise. Oh, that's pretty. Namjoon. So cute. Tay. Oh, okay. Jin. RM. Jimin. Flower Jimin. Yoongi. And Jimin. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, now. Okay. So here's the packaging. Here's the official sticker. Acrylic clock. Okay, so I guess I have to. I'm just gonna cut the sticker. I know some people don't, but oh well, I do. Okay. It's so pretty. What's this? The manual. And then ta-da. Oh well, let me take this off first. Look, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here it is. Oh my gosh. It's like glossy. And the back is just wood. Oh my goodness gracious. It's so pretty. This is the time. I'm just gonna leave it like this. I'll just adjust it later. But you could just adjust it on the back. This was this down, up, and set. But yeah, that's how it looks like. You could do the year, month. You could set your alarm to, and the temperature settings. But yeah, but that's it. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I definitely need to rearrange my room. But yeah, that's it. That was the unboxing. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm in love with it. Oh my gosh. Okay. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll put the eBay seller in my description box. I also have another video out of what I'm selling, so I'll put that in my description box too. I don't know what else I was gonna say. Oh, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys had an amazing holiday, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay guys, sorry, I forgot to check the box thoroughly, but it comes with a cable that they say to use more than the batteries, because batteries can run out, and they came with this stick, this clear stick to put in the back support right here so it could stand. But yeah, and that's it. Okay, bye.